My name is Garrett Taylor, and my company is Psalms Lawn Care, and we're located in St. Cloud, Florida. So right now we have two guys on a mow truck, and then me doing landscape. And then here in the spring we're gonna get another mow truck, so we'll add two more guys. So there'll be five for 2026. For our main services we provide, mostly is residential mowing, just maintaining the lawns. We do offer landscaping, mulch, plants, all that kind of stuff. We're not quite into design per se, but I mean, if a client brings something they want done, we can do it or come up with something. But yeah, and then we do some minor tree trimming, but mostly mowing is our main product. Working on getting a license for weed spraying in the landscape, so that's going to be our new service coming soon. Probably Instagram, maybe, just from my algorithm of being in the lawn care industry. I think it just came across and it was something different. The name just stuck out. I was like, oh, I gotta go look at that. I had used a similar product that kind of failed on me quickly, so I was like, I think the mesh version of like a tarp that zips would be a lot better for me. So then I gave it a try, and I really loved having it. Definitely am gonna buy more. So the amount of debris we gather throughout our route in this industry, we just need something to help us gather it all, whether it be to take it to the truck or just keep it all in one place in the truck bed, so that we're not blowing stuff all over the street and people seeing our truck basically littering branches and things everywhere. It just allows us to make less trips from wherever we're causing the debris by trimming or whatever to the truck, and it has a lot of easy holding points with handles and things, so it makes carrying things to the truck a lot easier as well, so it's not as hard on your back dragging something, or trying to find grip on a tarp or whatever makeshift thing you've made to get whatever to the truck. So I think it just allows a lot smoother transition, knowing you know what you're going to use for the job. When you're just throwing debris in your truck, it takes up so much space in the truck bed or wherever you're putting in your trailer. Like with the Leaf Burrito, you could fill it to the max with all this debris and throw it in your enclosed trailer and it not make a mess, and you just pull it out and dump it wherever you're going, as opposed to just throwing debris all it loose into a place and it's just a mess, and then after you empty it there's still mess to clean up. So I think just having a Leaf Burrito just allows you to use it in almost whatever equipment you have, instead of just making a mess with just loose debris. So for other companies wanting to or needing something like the Leaf Burrito, but especially the Leaf Burrito, I would say it's a tool that you want to have. You want to have it and not need it, than need it and not have it. And I think you're gonna need it a lot more than you think. Like I said, in this industry, we are gathering debris all the time. So if you can have a nice, neat tool that folds pretty flat that you can store away, that's always going to be there when you need it. You're not going to have to go buy a $10 tarp every time that you're doing a debris load, because we all know when we use that tarp, by the time we're done with the project, it's got holes everywhere because of how cheap and whatever. So I think just to buy one tool that you're not going to have to buy again, and I just recently learned they do fix small repairs. It does happen, so that's awesome that you guys stand by your product, and I think something people should get. As many places as you can put your logo, I think that is helpful. So yeah, if you guys are carrying the Leaf Burrito, the truck near near the road where the truck is and it's got your logo on it, I think people are gonna see that. And also, unfortunately, theft is a thing. So if someone tries to steal it, I mean, your name's on it, so it's kind of harder to steal things that are logoed. So that's another benefit to that. So if that's a thing that's available, I would definitely look into that. Oh, I'm probably gonna go buy some Leaf Burritos right now, actually. So I love the product, so any way I can help.